Welcome to Python series for beginners by nETSETOS. In this video, we will discuss another data structure in Python, that is tuple. A tuple is just like list except few features. Like tuple is immutable. Immutable means we cannot modify the elements assigned to tuple. Here we cannot append, insert, or anything like that cannot be done in tuple, which makes its operation fast. Whereas if we talk about list is mutable. It is dynamic. That is, we can modify the elements assigned to the list. Here, append, insertion like operations can be done easily on list, as we have seen in our last video. Thus, it makes slower with respect to tuple. If we talk about syntax for tuple, it is rounded bracket. So let's go to PyCharm. Here, let's see what makes tuple as immutable. Here we have a variable with round brackets 2, for example 0, 1, 2. Instead of this as 30. Let's try it once. It has given me the type error that tuple object does not support item assignment. That means tuple object cannot be replaced here. Instead, if I want to do in list, this is a list over here, and here if I want to make changes in 0, 1, 2, and here 0, instead of 40, I want to make to 30, and then we will print this. Yes, it has taken because list is mutable. That's why we say list is mutable, because we can replace, we can append, or we can delete variables or values from here. Whereas if we come to delete, it won't be deleting any element from the tuple. Whereas if we want to delete from the list, it will delete itself. As we have seen in the last video, we can delete, remove, or pop. But here, it will delete complete X in tuple. It won't be deleting any specific element from the tuple. Let's see more operations in tuple. Empty tuple can be created by giving a variable, then a assignment operator, which is equal to, and then round brackets. Here, while defining single value, what we need to make sure that there should be a comma over here. If you're giving a single value without a comma and giving the tuple and asking its type, it will be giving it as integer. While if you are giving comma, then it will treat it as tuple. So only parentheses are not enough. If there is a single element, there is need to put comma. Otherwise, won't be treating it as tuple. It will treat it as normal integer. But if you have more than one, then normally it will happen as tuple. Here we have tuple of integers. These are tuple of strings. The string value are with double quotes or single quote. Also, you can give integer, float, and string in tuple, which is tuple of mixed data types. And also we can give tuple of integers, tuple, and list. If you have tuple inside tuple, this is called tuple nested tuples. Now let's see what are indexes over here. As we have seen in list, it was zero based indexing. It is same as list, but tuple also follows zero based indexing. As I can see here, 10, 20, 40, 50, 60. Here we have 0 in integer. In 1 we have defined integer, and in 2 we have defined a list within a tuple. So it follows zero based indexing. That's why it will start with 0. Now if I want to print x0, it will be 10. And what will be the type for this? If I want to print type, it will be integer. Now if I want to print x2 0, that means 2 here 0 1 2, that it will then 40 will be our answer. And if I talk about what is this, type will be int. Now it has a built-in function length. Length will be how many elements are there in within a tuple. So here 1, 2 and 3. So this will be treated as 3. Let's check it out first. As we can see, length is 3, 3, x20 40, x0 is 10. Now if I want to check type of this, we can delete this. Here we can see x0 is int, x20 is also a int. If I would have asked x20, then it will be a list. Let's check it also. It has been a list because list has been defined here within a tuple. Now let's see more functions over here. More.
Thanks for watching. Drop a like. Leave a comment. And don't forget to subscribe.